Good morning friends. Today topic is grinding and finishing process. Objectives today topics. Classification of grinding machines, cylindrical grinding machine, surface grinding machine. No. Construction details and working of tools and cutter grinder, types of grinding wheels. Classification of grinding machines, cylindrical grinder, external cylindrical grinder. External cylindrical grinder subdivided into two types, center type, centerless type. Internal cylinder grinder, there are also two types, center type, centerless type. Classification of grinding machines, surface grinder. Surface grinder subdivided into many types. Vertical spindle subdivided into reciprocating table, rotary table. Horizontal spindle, reciprocating table, rotary table. Third one, tool and cutter grinder. Fourth one, special grinders. Plain cylindrical grinding machine, it has the following parts: base, table, headstock, tailstock or footstock, wheel head. So line diagram seen in screen on the screen, see on the screen. Okay, right, headstock, tailstock, table, bed, base, so on. So plain cylindrical surface, practical diagrams. Cylindrical grinding machine, base or bed rest on the floor. It houses the table machine mechanism. It is made with cast iron to provide rigidly. Base is always very rigid construction. Table is divided into two parts, upper table and lower table. Upper table is mounted on lower table and can be swiveled. Lower table can be given transfer motion. Headstock, it is mounted on the left hand end of the table. It supports and drive the workpiece. Tailstock is mounted on the right side of the table and supports other end of the workpiece. Wheel head is a cross lined at a right angle to the table, provide the in feed movement of the wheel to the work. A cylindrical center type cylinder machine is specified by maximum diameter, length of workpiece that can be grounded. Surface grinding machine. Surface grinding machines are used for producing flat surfaces. There are two types: horizontal spindle surface grinding machine, vertical spindle surface grinding machine. Horizontal spindle surface grinding machine working principle. In this machine, spindle rotates about horizontal axis, work reciprocating under the wheel. See diagrams. Principle of horizontal spindle surface grinder. Horizontal spindle surface grinder machine. The main consists of base, table, wheel head. Vertical spindle grinding machine, it is the same as horizontal spindle grinding machine, except the spindle is positioned vertically. It has rotary table that permits better surface grinding. Yes, vertical spindle grinding machine is line diagram. Wheel head, column, guard, ring wheel, rotary table, controllers. So the construction details. Tool and cutter grinder, it consists of various shapes of grinding wheels. The shape of grinding wheel depends upon the shape of cutter to be sharpened. These machines are widely used in any type of workshop. So wheel head, grinding wheel, table, column, saddle, base. So tool and cutter grinder, practical application, practical machine. Tool and cutter grinder, base. It carries a slide aways and other components. It houses the gear mechanism. Table. It is composed of two units, upper table, lower table, saddle. It is mounted on guideways. It is used to move the work forward and backward. Headstock. It holds and